Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make savvy purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are sure to capture your attention. On the left, we have the REDTIGER dash cam, and on the right, we have its sibling, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam. Get ready for a head-to-head battle of the lenses. Alright, let's kick things off with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality. The REDTIGER dash cam boasts an impressive 4K resolution, allowing you to capture every little detail on the road. But wait, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam takes it up a notch with its 4K plus 1080p dual recording. That means you get a crystal clear front view in 4K and a wide-angle rear view in 1080p. It's like having eyes in the back of your head. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The REDTIGER dash cam features an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large aperture and HDR technology, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. But hold on tight, because the REDTIGER 4K dash cam comes equipped with enhanced super night vision. Say goodbye to those blurry, hard-to-see nighttime recordings. Next up, let's talk about connectivity. Both dash cams offer Wi-Fi and app control, allowing you to view, playback, and manage your recordings right from your smartphone. But here's a fun fact. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam's app is called REDTIGER, just like the brand itself. Talk about being on brand? Time to navigate our way to the GPS feature. Both dash cams have built-in GPS, which records your driving route, real-time speed, and location. You can track it all on Google Maps via Wi-Fi or with their dedicated GPS player software. So no more getting lost on those winding roads. Now let's focus on what happens when the unexpected occurs: accident recording. The REDTIGER dash cam and the REDTIGER 4K dash cam both have loop recording, ensuring that your dash cam never misses a moment, even when the memory card is full. Plus, they both have a G sensor that detects sudden collisions and locks and saves the footage. Safety first, folks. Last but not least, let's park ourselves in the world of parking monitoring. Both dash cams offer a 24-hour parking monitor, but with a twist. The REDTIGER dash cam has a time-lapse function, giving you a condensed overview of any events that may occur during extended parking periods. On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam's parking monitoring function requires the purchase of a separate hardwire kit. So choose wisely depending on your parking needs. The REDTIGER dash cam and the REDTIGER 4K dash cam have received positive reviews from customers. The REDTIGER dash cam is praised for its reliability, exceptional video quality, advanced features, and user-friendly interface. Customers highly recommend it for its performance and excellent customer service. On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam impresses customers with its touchscreen interface, crystal clear video quality, wide-angle lens, and easy installation. It is recommended for its reliability and user-friendly options. Both dash cams have received positive feedback for their customer service. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the REDTIGER dash cam and the REDTIGER 4K dash cam in various categories. From video quality to night vision, connectivity to accident recording, and even parking monitoring, these dash cams have it all. Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which dash cam you'd choose. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart shopping tips. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smarter purchasing decisions. Stay smart and see you next time.